Hey folks, I just thought I'd share a little program that I wrote that keeps track of your portfolio in real time throughout the day. Um, so this keeps the value of your portfolio in the menu bar so that you don't have to look at the market indices, Dow, Nasdaq, S&P, and try to get an idea of what your portfolio is doing. So it does pre-market and post-market, which means that, like, on post-market, it's going to take the 4 o'clock price and compare the price in extended hours to the 4 o'clock price. So it's going to show you what it is down or up um, after 4 o'clock for that day. So the pre-market price, same thing. So the next day, the following day, it's going to compare the previous day's 4 o'clock price, or I should say the previous business day, the day the market is open, because it should skip holidays and it does skip weekends. So it's a business, it skips business days. So in pre-market, it's going to compare the pre-market price to that of the previous business day or the last time the market was open to its 4 o'clock price, or if it was a short session to the 1 o'clock price EST. Like I said, it shows your portfolio up and down, and it'll be red for your portfolio be down, it'll be blue for up. Okay. The process runs in the background, so what you have to do is you have to bring up your activity monitor and you'll see a process, not stock widgets, but you'll see stock menu bar. Okay. And then you just kill that process because it runs in the background. So let's get into it. So you'll have this link to um, the Google Drive where the files are. So I selected one and then I just download it. Download anyway. Okay, so then it's going to go to downloads. And then I'm just going to click on it, open it. It's going to have the portfolio. And then it's going to have a menu bar text value. You just take this and then I would drag and drop it into the iCloud Drive. But for some reason, drag and drop is giving me problems today. Oh, it it would drag and drop it right there. So it's just a text file that this program is going to write to. Okay. Here's an image of the shortcut that I put on my iPhone that gets the information that is going to be put on my laptop. So on my iPhone, I can be going throughout the day, going to the gym, whatever, and then I just say, "Hey Siri," and then I mark I name the shortcut market. So get file from this iCloud path drive and speak the file. Okay, it's going to speak this, and so in the program, it just writes a you know up down, and it's going to update every 5 minutes or every 30 seconds, something like that, and it's going to read that value. Okay, so after we do that, then we have to open the app, so we'll decompress that. Okay, and this is a tricky thing with the app. Okay, so it's a homegrown app and I use Python py2 app to create it. So it's basically a Python script that is modified to be an Apple application. So we don't want to click on it. We don't want to start it yet because it'll complain as it's not an official Apple app. So what I do is I go to CD downloads, downloads, And then I'm going to CD portfolio, and then LS, and then I'm going to go to the stock menu bar app, and then I should have the. So in order to keep it out of quarantine and stuff like that, we have to run this particular command, okay? Because if we hit it, um, the stock, if we hit start it now without doing this, Apple or the MacBook will say, hey, this is a corrupted program and you do want to put it in the trash, or it may have viruses, you want to put it in trash. So then if you do nothing after you try to start it, it just throws it away. Okay, so to remove that warning, you do this, and then that allows it to jump that gatekeeper. Now let me see if I can put it in applications. Let's see if it'll let me. I'm going to go to applications. So I put that in applications, and then we put this, right? We would put this to. It's giving me a hard time today to move it. But in any event, we would put this into the iCloud drive. And as you can see, I have I have my version, that I have for my stocks in here, and I didn't put it in any folder. It just sits in the iCloud drive directly, so it's not in any one of these folders. It's just there. Okay, and then the next thing that we need to do is we need to take this stocks. This is the Excel spreadsheet, and I just put in some sample, you know, tickers, and put shares 100. So all you have to do is just modify the ticker symbols. And let's see if I can drag and drop it. Mm. Okay, so it put it in. I got it here. Obviously, I don't have Excel, but you're going to have a form of Excel, and you need this older format. So once we have those all in place, we go to applications, and it should run. So click on it, and then it gives you the value. Okay, so that's the value um, of our portfolio currently. So it's going to change every once in a while. Okay, and as you can see, it's updating the drive. So it's going to update it, and see, now it's 314. See, it's updating it again. And you can just keep this running, for whatever. But what is nice, it's going to take this, and then on your iPhone, you've created the shortcut, and then it can see this file on the iCloud Drive. So you just say, "Hey Siri, mark it."
Down 382.30.
Okay? So it's, "Hey Siri, mark it." "Hey Siri, mark it."
Down 308.52.
So that's another thing. Sometimes it gives you a cash price and you have to do it twice, and then it gives you the very latest. So, what else do I need to cover? So, to kill the process, if you do want to do that, we just go stock market menu bar, then just kill it, force quit, and it kills it. But um, you can keep this program running in your background on your Mac or your laptop so that Siri can do the update. But you're going because this you're going to have to figure out what to do when you close the lid. So obviously you can leave the lid open and it will continue to run. But if you want to close the lid, there's other programs like Caffeine that can keep the Mac running, but you'll want to make sure that it's plugged in, right? It doesn't take a lot of energy, but obviously it's working away. Um, I think that about covers it. So enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you have any problems. Thanks a lot.